Hello everybody, yeah, this is Johnny S with another vlog video. In today's discussion we're gonna talk more about a philosophical topic. It's gonna be more of a question rather than advice. I do some advisory videos. This is gonna be something that I've done in Greek also, and I wanted to ask people's opinion. Please do leave a comment. I know people hate leaving comments, but you know, try to do so. It helps the engagement. So we're gonna start off by, as can be seen obviously, letting everybody know that we still don't have our R6. Yeah, it has been a fucking month, dura. It has been a fucking month, dura day. What the fuck is gonna happen? I don't fucking know. Yeah. I can't take this shit. It's been a month. It's been over a month that we still don't have our R6, and not possible, but part of the reason why I want to do this video is because of that. I had a question to myself lately and to anybody that has an opinion about bikes. Obviously, as you've seen from the title, you probably understood the gist of it. Simple question, and it's a rhetorical one. I mean, I do know that, you know, it depends on every rider and how they ride and how they take it, and I do know that there's, you know, a measure on all things that you can go overboard, but I would like to pose the question either way. Motorcycles, bikes, are they a hobby or are they an addiction? Are they our medicine or are they our drug? Don't know, man, don't know. Is there a proper way of enjoying your bike? Can you go overboard? I'm guessing there is. It has been a month, you know what I mean? It has been a month without my fucking bike. Do I have my wife's bike? Yes, I do. Is it the same thing? No, it's not. Is a month a long period without your bike? Yes. Can that be used as an excuse of that's why you miss it so much and so forth and so forth? I don't know. Is it an excuse? Can it be used as an excuse? Perhaps. It might be possible, but should you do it? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Fucking, I got that question for everybody. You know what I mean? I'd like to start off by saying that I'm a type of more of an obsessive. Yeah, I'm more of an obsessive rider. I do really like my motorcycle, and there's a specific my motorcycle sort of thing to it. I do like bikes in general, obviously. Whatever bike you give me, I will ride it, and I will enjoy riding it. Fair enough, but there is a special relation with my bike. So I'd like to start off by saying that, yeah, I am quite a bit of an obsessive rider, let's say, especially when it comes to my specific bike, the R6. I do love it. I get obsessed. It's, you know, once you do find your holy grail, let's say, it is expected at you know, on some level you're going to be like really wow about it, and really like this and really like that. But is that excusable? I don't fucking know. Have I really gone overboard? I don't fucking know. There's many people and many different riders. Some are a little bit obsessive, some are not obsessive. Some use the bikes in order for means of transportation. Other people use their bikes more for weekend riding. Other people are only for track riding. Whatever the fuck the case is, you are still a biker, you know what I mean? Whether you have a chopper, whether you have a super sport, whether you have whatever the fuck you have anyway. So is there a proper way of, you know, taking enjoyment on your bike, or can you go overboard? In the case that you do go overboard, what's the remedy for that? You know what I mean? What do? You just stop caring? Yeah, I don't fucking know, guys. What do you think? Let me know. Leave a comment. What do you think? Bikes, hobbies, or obsession? Or narcotic? Medicine or drug? I don't know. I don't know. Like I said, I believe that everything happens for a reason. And I'm trying to figure out what the fucking goddamn reason is. It can, you know, like, how should I take this specific moment and time in my life, this challenge? You know what I mean? Should I ignore it? Should I don't give a fuck about it? Should I take it as an opportunity to do something else? I do think about all these things. I do agree with all these things. But nevertheless, it is something that affects my psychology, you know what I mean? So yeah, and another thing to mention, just in case some people were wondering, you know, I do understand that some people, not to put you down or anything, but they don't have much going in their life because of the stage in their life, you know what I mean? You might be young, you might be a teenager, you might be 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, whatever, and the bike might be the only thing that you go, you know what I mean? You might be away from home from your parents and stuff, you might be in college, you might be a student, and you might, the only remedy that you have to, you know, your psychology and everything as a hobby, as a getaway, might be your bike. I do understand in those cases that it's going to be more evident, you're going to have the need to, you know, use your bike more and stuff, and get sad when you don't have it. Fair enough. But in my case, that's not the case. You know what I mean? I am a father, I've got a young son, I've got a family, you know, and if you ask any parent, they will tell you that, you know, the daily schedule is fucking hectic, you know what I mean? Running around crazy with 100 million fucking different things. You know what I mean? And when you do run around with 100 million different things, and it's not a chore, I mean, I like it. And if you ask me, you know, what's the priority in your life? Your bike or your child or your family? Obviously, it's my family, you know what I mean? So I am not complaining, and I do take enjoyment on doing things and activities with my son, with my family, with everything. But nevertheless, there does seem to be something which is affecting me, you know what I mean? And that's what I'm trying to understand. Like, should it affect me as much as it's affecting me, or I don't know. Then again, you're going to say, you know, should, could, would. If it's affecting you, it's affecting you. Why the fuck are you analyzing it? Yeah, maybe I'm doing something that I should not be doing, or should be doing different. I don't know. What's the teaching here? What should I get out of? What's the lesson to be learned? You know what I mean? Hence why I'm asking the question. One of the thoughts that I had is that, you know, perhaps I have noticed that this month it has been a lot more, let's say, economic, me using my wife's bike, you know what I mean? It doesn't burn not a third, a fucking fifth of what I burn with my bike, and obviously it's being a lot more cheaper. So is that the lesson here? You know what I mean? Every now and then, when you're, you know, things are a little bit tough, use your wife's bike to save on petrol, to save on this, to save on that. I don't fucking know. Another thought is that, you know, I was thinking at some point that, you know, maybe it's an age thing as well. Maybe that's the fucking lesson here. That, dude, chill out. You got a super sport, you know. You're fucking 45 years old. Like, stop being a fucking numbnut. Maybe you should think about retiring. Then again, on the other hand, like, as soon as I think one thing, then I think of another thing, you know what I mean, which contradicts. Hence why I'm saying that I don't know. Another thought that again is that the usage that I do on the bike, I'm not using my bike as per design, you know what I mean? Let's be honest about it. It's a fucking super sport. It's not meant for everyday riding. It's a fucking truck bike, you know what I mean? Regardless if I'm fucking obsessed, it's like, yeah man, no, I'm fucking honing and shit, yeah, let's fucking do it. That's got nothing to do with it, you know what I mean? Maybe it's, you know, a little warning bell. Danger, danger, moron, stop fucking taking your bike every day. Maybe that's the fucking lesson, you know what I mean? Take my wife's bike on a daily basis, use it as a means of transportation, and then keep my bike for like weekend rides. Being more relaxed, not being a lot stressed, don't have to wear your bag your backpack, being able to just go for a more ride and relax. Maybe that's the fucking lesson. I don't fucking know. I don't know. These are all thoughts, guys. These are all thoughts, and I'm sure there's many people in my circumstance. I do believe there's a lot of people that have super sport bikes and they're fucking obsessed, whether it's a 600 or 1000. And you know, what is your opinions? I mean, if you were going through to what I was going through, if you took your bike to the mechanic for a simple thing, you know what I mean, and there was a miscommunication, and instead of getting your bike back within the week, because that was the plan, within the week, 1 month goes by. And not 1 month in the sense of that the mechanic is telling them that, you know, this is going to take some time, probably 1 month, so do be patient. No, it's like, yeah, we're going to have it ready like in 2-3 days. Yeah, it's going to be ready like 2-3 days, and then it's not ready. If that was the case, and it was dragging and dragging and dragging, 1 month goes by, and you don't even fucking know, you know, I mean, it can be 2 months till I get my bike. I don't fucking know. In the end of it, I'm gonna tell him, you know, it's almost fucking August, keep it there. I'm gonna go for fucking summer vacation, might as well just fucking store it in your garage. I don't fucking know, dude. I don't fucking know. You know, well, how would you handle it? Will it influence you? Will it bother you as much as it's bothering me? Would you lose sleep over it? Because I'm losing sleep over it. And like I said, this is something that you can't control, you know what I mean? Yesterday, the day before that, I was watching some fucking stupid ass dream. Some like I was fucking owing money and some guy was chasing me, but I was I was owing money, but nobody, and I didn't have the bike to get away, and the guy was going after me, and I kept on thinking of, oh god damn, I'm gonna fucking get killed because I don't have my bike. Like fucking stupid ass dreams, you know what I mean? But obviously your subconscious works in mysterious ways, so it was evident that it's because I'm missing my bike, you know what I mean? Anyway, guys, I don't know. I don't fucking know, baby. I don't know where the fuck I'm gonna get my bike. And the other thing is that when it's taking so long that, you know, you get a little bit uncertain. You start thinking to yourself like, is there an issue? Like maybe the guy that's painting the plastic is not doing a good job, is having a difficult time, or like what the fuck is going on? You're trying to figure it out, which means it's creating a, you know, it's making you unsure about that, you know what I mean? And I think to myself, fuck, you reckon I'm gonna get in, it's gonna be like bad result and no good quality? If that's the case, that's gonna be fucked up. Anyway, so I hope there's not much more wait time, let's say. I do hope that. I hope. And I hope it's good, you know, I mean, I hope I get it and it's actually good quality. In the meantime, I'll try to occupy myself with different things. Focus a little bit more on myself, a little bit more on the family, on the little one. I mean, it's not like when I have the bike I neglect something, you know what I mean? I do that shit anyway. But, you know, maybe focus on it more. Fucking try not to think about it, not to overly focus on it, not to overly analyze it like I'm doing. I don't fucking know, dude. Make a fucking I am you know, being comedic, so I don't fucking flip out. For the love of God. Anyway, guys, we're almost reached my work. I would like to thank everybody for your time. You know, if you don't mind, leave a fucking comment. Yeah, and you know, it's not cancerous. Leave a fucking comment. Let me know that, yeah, I do agree, we don't agree, whatever. Anyway, we'll close the video off here. I don't have to close every single fucking video outside my work. Anyway, I'd like to thank everybody for your time. Hope you have a good, great, awesome day. Stay safe. We'll talk soon, everybody. We'll talk soon. Goodbye.